I'm going to share with you guys how I made this coconut chicken pie. So if you're interested, watch to the end and also help me to share. I'm going to use my food processor to mix the dough. If you don't have food processor, you can always use your hand to do it. I added 2 cups of self-rising flour and 3 tablespoons of butter. Next, I added nutmeg into it. And then lastly, I'll go in with my coconut milk. So I added coconut milk into it, cover it, and then mix it up nicely. Like I said, you can use your hand to achieve this process if you don't have food processor or mixer. So I mix it up until it is very sticky like this. Then I'm going to take it out and place it in my plastic foil, wrap it around, set it aside for about 40 minutes. Next, I'm going to show you guys how I made the chicken sauce I'm going to use for it. This is my chicken. I deboned it. I added onions on it, cover it, and then I'm going to chop it into smaller sizes. Alright guys, if you find this video interesting, please help me to share it, okay, so that you get to more people. Next, I'm going to transfer it into the pot, go in with my seasoning, my coconut milk, and then allow it to steam for about 15 minutes. So if you have carrot, Irish potato, feel free to add it on this. So I don't have it at home. That is why I didn't add it on it, okay? So then I'm going to mix it up nicely. Next, I'll be adding the leftover coconut milk into it. And then I'll go in with a little bit of water and I'll cover it to steam for about 15 minutes. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to set it aside. Next, I'm going to dissolve corn flour with water. This is akamo, so or custard as you may call it. I added 2 tablespoons, mix it up with water. After 15 minutes, I'm going to add it on the pot to make it thicken. So I added the cornstarch into it, give it a stir, and then that is it. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to set it aside, allow it to cool down for some minutes, and then back to the dough. In a flat surface, I'm going to go in with dry flour and then I'm going to bring out the dough and cut it into smaller size. And then I'm going to use my rolling stick to flatten it the way I want it to be. And then at this point, you can just cut it the way you cut your meat pie if you don't have this cutter. Because I'm doing it for the kids, I just want to make it a little bit stylish for them. So I go in with my chicken and then I'm going to use this to cover it like this. I use the cutter again to cut it. This time I'm going to be using the other side of it just to give it a little bit of shape. And then that is it. I put it in the baking tray. Next, I apply egg white all over it before I put it in the oven to bake for 15 minutes. So my oven is already heated. So I set the oven for 200 degrees and I bake for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is how it looks. You can also fry it with oil if you don't have oven. It's still going to come out nice. Guys, take a look at this. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comment section. And do well to tell me where you're watching this video from so that on my next one, I'm going to send you a hug. Today's special hug goes to Jessa Baker 745 watching me from Jamaica. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. I really appreciate. See you all on my next one. Bye.